doesn't have to be perfect because we're not putting the extensions on, we're just putting it to prevent the remover getting into her eyes and on her skin, just so that it's a clean way to remove the extensions. Close your eyes. Is it comfortable? Yeah. Okay, keep them closed. So I'm gonna just slide down a little bit so that the patches don't push the eyelashes up. And we're going to start putting the remover. We're gonna be using today Fable paste remover. We switched from gel. I know that a lot of eyelash technicians using gel remover to paste remover because it does not burn customers' eyes and it is very gentle on their eyes, where gel usually very brutal. It burns customers' eyes. Okay, so we're gonna take generous amount and we're just gonna apply on top of our eyelashes. And you're applying right where the eyelashes are attached. You don't need to apply on the ends, just where the eyelashes are attached. So I'm trying to get them off the ends because it's useless to apply them on the ends of the extensions, and just put it where the extensions are attached to the natural eyelash. So what it's gonna do, it's gonna soften the glue and they'll just slide right off. And we're going to move to another eye. So once we apply the remover on the extensions, I know that a lot of lash technicians use these micro brushes to remove the eyelashes. I'm gonna show you guys much faster way, and to me it's much cleaner way. So we're actually going to put away or throw away this one, and we're going to pick up these tweezers right here with very thin tips. In the left hand I picked up some clean tissue, and in the right hand, because I'm right-handed, I'm gonna use the tweezers. And what I'm gonna do is just going to go over her eyelashes, and the extensions will just slide right off. Don't pull on them, you literally just kind of taking them off gently from her natural eyelash. And also using the tweezers helps me to remove any glue buildup on her eyelash much easier than if I were to use the micro brush, because micro brush in my opinion is just making it a little bit longer and messier, this process, than it needs to be. See how much easier that is? The extensions just coming off. And wherever it's not coming off, it just means it needs a little more remover and a little more time. Do not pull the eyelashes because you don't want to pull out her natural eyelashes. You just want to take off the extensions and clean them from the glue. And what I do, I just wipe the tweezers off with the remover and extensions. So right here, the extension needs a little more remover, and right here, pick up more remover, put in those places where the extensions are still attached. And we're going to move to the other eye. And we're gonna go back to her eye right here and try to remove the extensions that were left, and we can remove them before. There you go. So if it's not coming off, you just need to get more remover. There you go. We're just gonna apply it on top. And check again and apply on top. And maybe just go and clean the natural eyelashes from excess remover and from the glue. And get back to this extension and see if it's coming off. There you go. And let's just remove, clean all the remover. And now we're going to pick up a brush, a spoolie, and just brush out her natural eyelashes. Don't open her eyes. You're just brushing out excess remover. You're not going to get rid of all the remover. She still has to go and wash her eyes, but you're going to brush out any lumps, any maybe tiny pieces of glue that's gonna come off with remover. Make sure that everything is cleaned out. And I know, guys, that gel might look cleaner because it's clear color, but it does burn customers' eyes. That's why we use paste. It's very gentle. So we brush out wherever we can, and then we take off the patches, and then we're gonna have her sit down, and then she's gonna go and wash her eyes very well. Here you go. Here are her clean eyelashes after her extensions have been removed, and she went and washed her eyes very well.